Lawmakers discovered that only 6 out of 10 college students in the country have graduated. In the budget hearing of the Commission on Higher Education, or CHED, lawmakers noted that only 41% of college students finished their studies in 2023. This is already an improvement from 38.95% in 2022. Lawmakers were puzzled with the data since we have laws that give access to low-income households like free tuition law and tertiary education subsidy. CHED Chairman Popoy De Vera said that tertiary education sector is still experiencing the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic.
I want to know because I'm seeing that the highest is at the third year. Yun ang pinaka nakakalungkot kasi isang taon na lang, diba? So I want to see if it's the same everywhere else.
But Madam Chair, the increase in the cohort attrition rate, most of it is really COVID-related.
At saka yung nakikita din nilang isa pang problema dyan na dapat, ito madali yung gawa ng paraan is yung supposedly yung subsidy na binibigay sa estudyante, nalilate yung pagbigay. So yung mga estudyante, yung magulang nila, nagpapaluwal lang muna, i-reimburse na lang. And nangyayari daw, late yun na ibibigay, pati yung reimbursement nila wala. So in essence, yun mo, yung chain effect na, di ba? Na hindi na lang ako mag-aaral kasi wala kaming pang abono.
Sabihin nila na, nagtataka sila bakit medyo mataas pa rin kahit nag-improve. Kahit ang daming subsidy. Well, first hand, the witness natin yan sa DSWD. Nandun ka ata for a report or something nun. Nakikita mo na a student has to go back to the DSWD to get assistance multiple times. Diba? Back and forth. And that entails a lot of expenses. So sometimes, ang isang estudyante, ayaw na lang ng bumalik or humingi ng subsidy lang. Hirap ng hirap ng biyahe.
Pero kasi yung iba naman, yung sinasabi nila, yung iba, ginagamit sa iba yung pambayad din ng tuition, di ba?
Hindi, sometimes hindi naman yun ang intent, di ba? I have the money, pero nagutom bigla yung pamilya. Talagang magagamit
pero yun nga, dapat gawa nila ng paraan yung proseso para mabilis na maibigay dun sa estudyante, maibayad sa school or diretsyo na.
Yes.
Di ba?